South Pacific Tsunami pounds Samoa Islands. A massive tsunami, hurled by a powerful earthquake, has flattened Samoan villages and swept cars and trucks and people out to sea, taking at least 100 and leaving dozens and dozens missing on Wednesday. The toll was expected to rise. Survivors fled the fast-churning water for higher ground on the South Pacific Islands and remained huddled there hours after the quake, with a magnitude between 8.0 and 8.3 when it struck around dawn on Tuesday. The quake was centered approximately 125 miles from Samoa, an island nation of 180,000 people, located about halfway between New Zealand and Hawaii. It was about 120 miles from neighboring American Samoa, a U.S. territory that is home to 65,000 people. 4 tsunami waves, 15 to 20 feet high, roared ashore on American Samoa, reaching up to a mile inland, said Mike Reynolds, superintendent of the National Park of American Samoa. And on the same day, western Indonesia was rocked by a very strong underwater quake, estimated at a 7.6, which flattened many, many houses and buildings, trapping thousands and thousands under the rubble. It briefly triggered a tsunami alert for countries along the Indian Ocean and sent panicked residents out of their houses. That alert was later canceled.